History. Iceland was discovered by Vikings a long time ago in the 9th century. They set up one of the world's first parliaments in 930 AD, called the Althing. Population. Iceland has about 360,000 people, and it's not very crowded. Most people live in the capital, Reykjavik. Geothermal energy. Iceland is the only country in the world that obtains 100% of its electricity from renewable sources, mainly from geothermal and hydropower. The Blue Lagoon is a famous hot spring that shows off this natural power. Waterfalls. Iceland is a waterfall paradise. With over 10,000 waterfalls, it's a waterfall lover's dream. One of the most famous ones is Seljalandsfoss, which you can even walk behind for a unique perspective. Nature. Iceland is full of amazing natural stuff. They have the biggest glacier in Europe, called Vatnajökull, and the strongest waterfall, Dettifoss. Many famous movies and shows, like Game of Thrones, were filmed there. Language. The language Icelanders speak hasn't changed much for a very long time. They can read old stories easily, like the sagas, which tell the tales of their ancestors. Income source. Iceland makes money from many things, but fishing is a big deal. They also get a lot of their electricity and heat, which is pretty cool. Northern Lights. Iceland is one of the best places to see the Northern Lights. These are colorful lights in the sky, and they look really awesome. Education system. Iceland have a great school system, and even university education is free for their citizens. It's no wonder Iceland has a high literacy rate. Food habits. Icelandic food is a mix of traditional and modern. They eat a lot of fish, especially the famous dish called hakarl, which is fermented shark meat. They also enjoy unique treats like skyr, a creamy dairy product, and pönnukökur, a delicious pancake.